Outstanding design defines the 2021 Audi e-tron. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, front fog lights, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. The unique heads-up display projects vehicle information onto the windshield, including speed, gear selection, and engine speed. Drivers benefit by not having to take their eyes off the road. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.